is funny. Okay, these Skolu coat rack, towel rack, robe racks, whatever you want to call them, are made of solid wood. I love them. They're great. Now these have the 16 center hangers on them, and I'll show you that. Now you can use your wall hangers or your wall anchors. These are them right there, and yeah, these are great anchors. I'll tell you what, not much stuff comes with those anymore. But there you go. So it comes with 5, actually 10 hooks, and they're solid wood. And you just lift that up and put them in the door. Now these doors are hollow, so these anchors work good. And there's your 16 centers that go right there. Okay, now I've got another one in the bathroom. I'm going to show you that too. Okay, so this is the one in the bathroom. Now I got 24 centers in here, and that is on a stud, which I just drilled through and countersink it and colored the screw head black. This one here is into the drywall with this anchor, and I'll tell you what, it's solid. And these come in a 2-pack, so that's why I've got 2 of them, one in the bathroom, one in the bedroom. And I love solid wood, man, I'll tell you what. All right, that's my review. Thanks for coming.